They are discussing about the price.
Price का issue.
Price का है कि our cost is less.
Bangladesh came to the table during my interactions with the business people. I found that it looks for strong connections.
Plenty of work.
कुछ बीच का भी problem हो रहा है. So they are discussing about the price.
Price का issue.
Price का है कि our
Real production.
देखो माइक पहले लगाना
थोड़ा परचम थोड़ा सही करा दो.
उमर भाई नीचे बैठ जाओ यार.
ये आप सेट कर लें. उसके बाद मिस्टर मोहम्मद इकबाल हुसैन, Honorary Consul General Lahore ارشد sahab and his team, welcome to all in the لاہورپریس Club. لاہورپریس Club is the most prestigious platform, professional journalist in Lahore with 33 members belonging to various national newspapers and TV channels. لاہورپریس is one of the oldest and credible, biggest representative organization of journalist community in the country, working for the welfare and the capacity of the building in the member of their families. لاہورپریس Club is a non-profitable organization. We run cafeteria where we provided quality food and highly subsidized, like 1.52 million subsidy the food in the every year. لاہورپریس is the only press club world with all members of the insured, not in a club. This is only press club Lahore. All members are insured. We also provide medical facilities, member to families, running dispensary in the club. Club also arranges medical camps and premises for medical checkup, test, etc. We also arrange workshops, seminars, and capacity building for journalists. لاہورپریس Club में regularly arrange indoor and outdoor sports activities like cricket, badminton, chess, table tennis, snooker, gym, sports activities. We manage a library which is a center of the literacy activity for the journalists. We have several projects for welfare of the members, etc. Fund of the grants, marriage grants. Welcome, High Commissioner, appreciate you to welcome. I am the behalf of لاہورپریس Club, journalists of the لاہورپریس Club. Welcome, and I think he will talk to you firstly, and then all house is open and all the questions. Thank you. Over to Excellency.
Assalamu alaikum. Respected President of the لاہورپریس Club and your team, and also the distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and pleasure to be here among you. I joined the Bangladesh High Commission in Islamabad in last December, and I was waiting to meeting you, but due to engagement in other areas, I could not visit you earlier. But I have taken the opportunity to meet you. Especially Bangladesh and Pakistan has historic relations. We are brothers and sisters. In the last 15 years, our relation was not in a very comfortable position. But after revolutions in Bangladesh in last July and August, the government of Bangladesh and also the peoples of Bangladesh are looking to strengthen our relations with Pakistan and for normal and due relations. And also I found very warm welcome from the peoples from Pakistan. Wherever I have visited, they have expressed their keen interest for strengthening trade, commerce, investments, and also relations in the field of political, cultural, and sports. Our relations between the two countries is strengthening. Already engagement has increased. Many trade delegations from Pakistan has visited Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh, the business peoples are visiting and working with their counterparts to increase their trade and business. And from the High Commission and also from the government of Bangladesh, we are working for the mutual benefit between the two nations. There are huge and tremendous potentials for taking our relations in more height. In view of this, the high-level visits between the two countries is taking place, both in the military and also in the civil area. And I can say that the common people of the both part, from Bangladesh and also from Pakistan, they love each other's. They love to continue and strengthen these relations. I have visited by this time many cities of Pakistan, including Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar, Multan. Wherever I have visited, I found that the people, they would like to see that our relations becomes more closer. In this regard, that's how culturally our relations can be more strengthened. We are working on it. Bangladesh film industries and also the film industries in Pakistan, we can work together and joint production can take place. So for that reasons, I am here and I will also have interactions with the film production industries and also the actors and actresses here. Bangladesh jointly produce films and movies with our neighbor countries. So I think in futures it will be a very good ventures to have with Pakistan also. Pakistan has beautiful natures. You have mountains, you have coastal areas, deserts, and vast plain lands. And the lifestyle of Bangladesh and Pakistan almost similar. Bangladesh has vast plain lands. Our main livelihood comes from the agricultures. And in Punjab, I see there are huge vast lands, plain lands. So our lifestyle is almost similar. Pakistan's education, health sectors, tourism is very strong. And Bangladesh students loves to study here. They are looking forward to come here and study. Already health tourism is taking place. Many Bangladeshi patients are coming and they are taking treatments from here. So they are happy with the treatments they are getting from here. And now the challenge is direct flight connections. And in this regards, the airlines, government as well as private airlines are working from Pakistan. AirCL and also Flight Jinnah has shown their interest and it is under process. And also from Bangladesh, our national carrier, Bangladesh Biman, has applied to Pakistan for the permissions. We hope that they will get it very soon and the direct flight will be established and that will reduce the cost of the travels and people will get more interest to visit each other's. And Bangladesh is a peace-loving nation. We have challenges, huge populations in small land. For that reasons, our main focus is for the economic prosperity. And to have sustainable progress and developments, it is very essential to have stability in the region. For that reason, Bangladesh always gives emphasis to strengthen the SAARC cooperations. Under SAARC, the 8 members from Afghanistan to Bangladesh, we can work together to strengthen our connectivity and regional integrations. In the past, even 1,000 years or 2,000 years back, there was a natural road which is widely known in this country as a GT road, which is from Kabul to Lahore, Delhi, Bangladesh, and up to Myanmar. So that route nowadays, because of the political boundaries, is not so widely used by the people. But like other areas in the world, we are dreaming that our next generations would be able to freely travel, even without visa. In many parts of the world, even in Africa, there are regional organizations under that the people can visit each other's country without visa. Our South Asia, we are proud that we had ancient civilizations, even in your part as Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and also in Bangladesh and India, there are many instances of ancient civilizations. Our peoples are meritorious, highly intellectuals. We have many scientists in the field of science and technology. We have many scholars. So there is no reason to the South Asia remains behind. So Bangladesh, our leaders, especially now the interim government's chief advisor, Dr. Professor Muhammad Yunus, he always advocates for strong cooperations under the SAARC. So this is the reality. We have to overcome this. So in this time, this more cooperations among us is very important, and bilateral cooperations as well as regional cooperations. So I am here to talk with you. That's you are the main persons to inform the peoples. That's the spirit of Bangladesh is to work with Pakistan and work with the people of Pakistan to have common prosperity and to take our nations more forward. And I would like to express my gratitude to the President and your team for giving the opportunity to have some words with you. And inshallah, in coming days, cooperations between the media, teams and institutions will be strengthened. This is our expectations, and hope that in futures we'll have more interactions with you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Okay. Thank you, Excellency. Your views shared to the media. Any question from media? Good. Sadia, start from you.
First of all, welcome to the press club, and you have graced us with your presence here. In my 34 years in journalism, I have not seen anyone from Bangladesh here. So this is so heartwarming how you are going to share yourself. You have formed 15 commissions in Bangladesh and you are working on reforms. We would like you to share with us the suggestions of those commissions, if that is possible. We would really want to know what suggestions have come from those commissions and how.
Thank you, madam, for your compliments, and also brother, thank you. Actually, regarding madam's comments, I would like to add that the spirit of the people of Bangladesh is from the very beginning, when we were united Pakistan. From that times, our leaders and people was in favor of democratic practices, and still now, our common peoples thinks that the best practice in the present world for the state affairs is the democratic parliamentary systems. So in Bangladesh, we follow this, but sometimes it gets hampered, and we see that people revolt and change it. And for that reason, the many commission has working in Bangladesh to strengthen the system so that it can run smoothly. In Pakistan, also democratic systems, so there is a strong similarity in our state affairs. So there has a huge opportunity to work together, to share each other's experience. So Bangladesh is always in favor of world peace and stability and prosperity. So whatever our intellectuals finds good inside the country, they love to share with the outside world. And for that reasons, our chief advisor was awarded the Nobel Prize for peace for his microcredit systems. So inshallah, that's the efforts which is going on in Bangladesh for strengthening our democracy and also the institutions and the systems so that democracy can run smoothly and our people is against any discriminations in the state affairs. So if our models become successful, I hope that it can be an example for others also. So as brothers and sisters, the good things in Bangladesh, we will be happy to share with Pakistan, and also we would like to take whatever good practices is here for Bangladesh. So this will be a mutual exchanges. And about brothers' issue, that's we are not in favor of tension at all. There's in Bangladesh we had some problems regarding the Rohingya refugees. There was problems in our eastern borders with Myanmar, and a huge number of refugees came in Bangladesh at that time. And also at that time, there was some allegations of violations of our airspace by that Myanmar side. But Bangladesh showed its high restraint to control the situations. Our position is very clear. If our sovereignty is threatened, we will go for all measures. But as a peace-loving nations, we show restraints to any situations, and we would like to overcome it through dialogue and cooperations. So the global community is helping Bangladesh to solve the Rohingya issues, and we are also trying. We had historic relations with Myanmar, and we are working closely with them so that this problem gets resolved. Similarly, in the South Asia, any tensions among any neighbors, any countries, whatever is there, we always suggest and say that it should get due attention without blaming each other. We should to find out the reasons, the cause of the problems, and to go into the deeps and to find out the solutions. So as per the established international norms and practices, international laws, it should be get resolved. But most highest density of population in South Asia. So engaging any tensions or any destabilizations is not good for anyone. So as high number of populations of the world is in South Asia, so our leaders at the political levels, at the military and civil bureaucrats levels, all we have to use their best wisdom so that the people's lives, their welfare is ensured. So we expect and we always say that whatever is the problems, as our nations are very brilliant, we have much capable leaders at the global statures. So why we would not be able to solve the issues through the discussions and dialogues and through the diplomatic process. So we expect that the peace and stability will be continued in this area, and our nations will go ahead and achieve their goals for the common prosperity of the South Asia. Thank you, brother.
Zia ke baad Muslim Zia.
Extremist groups in Bangladesh used to protest against the Pakistan under the political umbrella. Now you are saying the ice is melting. So what do you say? This is a short period, or the Bangla government is planning a long-term relation with the Pakistan? If yes, in which sector the Bangla government is planning?
You understand?
Yes. You understand
What is this point?
I repeat my question.
Zia, repeat your question.
I repeat my question. Extremist groups in Bangladesh
Extremist
used to protest against the Pakistan under the political umbrella. Now you are saying the ice is melting. So what do you say? This is a small period, or Bangla government is planning a long-term planning the good relation with the Pakistan? If yes, then which sectors you are planning?
Okay, what I understood from your speech, actually we are not blaming anyone of what you are saying. In Bangladesh, we feel that our law enforcing agency, the state affairs, our judiciary, our administrations has achieved maturity. We have constitutions, and we have the capability to run the state as per the constitutions. So in Bangladesh, any disorders from inside or outside is we are our zero tolerance in this regards, any segments, because the ensuring the welfare of the people is the supreme priority of the peoples and of the government of Bangladesh. And regarding relations with the Pakistan, we have mutually beneficial many sectors, especially trade, commerce, educations, cultures, health sectors, and also we can say our cooperations in the regional and international levels. So as a brotherly country, we see that we can take our relations in many areas, not in particular areas. All possible areas we can work together. Thank you.
Mohsin. Abhi aa raha Sahib.
Honor and Prayer for us. And do you think that RSS Hindutva mindset in BJP and Modi is dangerous for regional peace, Bangladesh and communities? Do you think that RSS and Hindutva mindset of BJP and Modi dangerous for regional peace?
Actually, brothers, you are talking about organizations which is not inside Pakistan or not in Bangladesh. This is the organizations in the third country. So I would like to say that the people's decision, where people can take the decisions freely, they, as per the present spirit globally, that people should get the opportunity to select their political parties, their leaders, who will run the states. So it is up to the people of the land, that's whom they will select, whom they will give the mandate to run their states. But the concern is whether the mandate process is transparent and whether it is people has the opportunity to exercise their rights freely. This is the concern for the neighbor states or for the global. But the people of the land, they should have the opportunity to select the leaders, select the systems, that's on which way the state will run. So we have no concerns who is the party and who is running the states. But our concern is that whether the peoples of that area is selecting and having the opportunity as per their rights. Thank you.
Sajid sahab.
So, sorry. So
Please put a relevant question. Relevant question. Yeah.
Is it a possibility Pakistan and Bangladesh to enter a formal strategic partnership? The second part is, can we revise SAARC minus India? You mentioned about various areas where we can benefit.
What is his first segment?
Without India. Without India.
No, first. What was your first question?
First question. अच्छा साजिद इसको छोटा सवाल कर लो.
Can we enter a formal strategic partnership, Pakistan and Bangladesh? Among both the different purposes. If Bangladesh feels a threat from inside, or Pakistan feels, and we can mutually become helpful to each other. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Regarding the relations in the two states, both the country is following the democratic process. So people gives the mandate to the elected peoples, and especially the parliaments and the cabinet. They decide that's how the relations will take place between the two countries. So this changes with the changing of the regime, but some relations remain same without any changes. So there are some permanent interest between the two states. So between Pakistan and Bangladesh, we have permanent interest in many cases. And considering that our forefathers established United Pakistan, so some permanent interest will remain forever. So whatever is the regime is there. And regarding the SAARC that you have mentioned, that's actually our spirit is that we want to see that all the 8 members will come forward and work together to have a prosperous and glorious South Asia, not minusing anyone, because every country has potentials, has natural resources, human resources, lot of opportunities. So utilizing the optimum resources regionally, nationally, for the overall benefit of the whole area. This is the main targets. Our countries are connected in many ways. We have many common rivers, many natural roads, and yard space we have to share with each other. So minusing someone will reduce the benefit of the area. So having common prosperity, we need to overcome all the barriers and to come forward for more benefits. Thank you, brother.
Short. Last 2 questions, only short question. It's a relevant question.
Excuse me, Mr. Ambassador. I have a question. Bangla Mata bol cholbe nahi? I have a question. You spoke about Mr. Yunus. He is definitely a very good person for that country. My question is, are you again demanding extradition of Hasina from India? Yes.
Actually, brothers, Bangladesh is a democratic country, and democratic country, the government is run as per the wish and mandate of the peoples. So it is up to the choice of the peoples. Peoples collectively, not foolish. Collectively, peoples always takes the right decisions. So as a bureaucrats, we are guided by the representatives of the peoples. So as the leaders tries to have the reflections of the people wishes in the running the states, and the bureaucrats, it is their duty to implement the wishes which comes through the directives of the people's representatives. So as a diplomat, as a bureaucrat, it is my duty to implement the directives of the highers for the interest of the nations and interest of the people. Thank you, brother.
Irfan, this is the last question for you.
Mr. Honorable guest, first of all, very warm welcome to your ex-brother and present brother. I would like to share with you that my date of birth is 16 December 1971. So I am very touchy about 1971. So I would like to ask you is there any regret about 16 December 1971 and any expectation in 2025? And can we forget, like European countries who have forgotten the wars of centuries, and to become iron brother again? Thank you.
Of course, thank you, brother, for your important observations. Actually, in the history, if we look, in every 200 years, almost the political boundary of every country changes, because the people's aspirations, people's desires gets the priority in this area. So it is ultimately the decisions of the peoples of the land, and we have to honor this. This is the most acceptable spirit of the present day. So the relations between Bangladesh and Pakistan, that I have already mentioned, that's from the point of view of permanent interest, United Pakistan was established, and still that is existing, and for that reasons, the peoples from both sides we consider as others, as brothers and sisters, and we have strong desire to take it forward. Whatever happens in the past, our leaders in the past, they have expressed their apology to each others, and from that we recognized each others, and we are moving forward. Now both the country working in the regional, international levels as sovereign country, and we are working for the increasing the mutual interest. So I see there's there are huge potentials to strengthen our relations at the bilateral, regional, and international levels. Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much, Excellency. You share your views, and no doubt about Pakistan and Bangladesh is a very good relation between the two countries. And thank you very much for your coming. Inshallah, we'll together and we'll call again and sit together. And thank you very much, Deputy High Commission. Thank you very much, all of your staff.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is our افضال آئے نا سر آپ افضال افضال لو جی آئے سر آئے آنے سے آئے سر
I have a token from Bangladesh for you. This is tea, actually.
Especially tea.
Bangladeshi rose tea.
Thank you.
Next time I'll share more.
Thank you so much. Talib is the senior vice president. Imran is the joint secretary. So all elected. And
You will be your business card.
I don't have any. All it. The expense number? My WhatsApp call. Sir, please.